This is going to be one of my most important videos that I'm going to share with you guys. It's a little late. It's about midnight, Saturday evening, Eastern US time. And I wanted to wait to see how things were playing out over the last 2-3 days. I'm not a financial advisor, and this is not financial, legal, nor tax advice. So we finally broke the 2 trillion market cap. I was watching it, I think it was last night, and we were at about 1 trillion 920, and then within about, I'd say within an hour or so, we broke the resistance of the 2 trillion. Then we jumped up to 2 trillion and 20 billion, 2 trillion and 50 billion. And then as most of you guys that are watching the CoinMarketcap today, I think we just reached almost, I think right now we're at 2 trillion and 71 billion dollars. Bitcoin is larger than the 4 major US banks. But anyways, this video is going to be mainly focused on XRP, and that's why I said earlier this is going to be one of the most important videos that I'm going to make and share with you guys my opinion on what's happening with XRP. My time frames are based on my research. There's some behind the scenes information that I think may help make you guys decide on what to do with XRP. I've been holding XRP for a long time. I didn't even sell back in 2018 at the high of 384. And even if we reach the all-time high, I don't think that I will sell at even $3-4 XRP. So what I want to just quickly get into, just some very, very quick XRP articles that I want to share with you guys. This is out of Cointelegraph. Ripple becomes tidal wave, leads weekend pump and notches legal victories. So there's some positive information coming out of the SEC lawsuit. Amid a weekend pump carrying multiple currencies higher, Ripple's XRP looks to be leading the way with a push as high as 30% on the daily. Where Bitcoin and Ethereum are up nearly 2.7 or 3.4% respectively on the day, XRP climbed to $1.36. Currently, right now, as I make this video, XRP is at $1.45. I thought we had almost $1.50. So I just did a quick refresh, but yeah, we had $1.45. Again, that's not too bad. In my opinion, Bitcoin did shoot up quite nicely yesterday. I think we're at 58,000 and we broke 61,000 within 24 hours. 24 hours. So I'm not too concerned about Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin, in another video, I'm going to give you guys my price target on Bitcoin and why. But I could easily see $100,000, $150,000 Bitcoin in the very short term. Going back to Ripple, XRP futures open interest reaches 1.2 billion record. XRP is not going away. XRP is not going to be deemed a security. This whole SEC lawsuit was a massive pause and to shake out weak hands. XRP's price journey to $1 this year has been nothing short of spectacular, considering the ongoing Securities and Exchange Commission lawsuit against Ripple initiated in December 2020. The regulator alleges that XRP was a 1.3 billion unregistered securities offering, and both CEO and Brad Garlinghouse and co-founder Christian Larson are also in the crosshairs. There was a court decision by the judge where they are not going to reveal any of their financial information. So this SEC lawsuit, in my opinion, was just a bit of again, like a stall tactic. They don't really have a case. The SEC doesn't really have a case. Another Bitcoin article. You guys may be tired of hearing about Grayscale. Grayscale adds another $1 billion in Bitcoin in 24 hours. Where do you think Bitcoin's going to go? The supply is drying up. The inflation is with the stimulus printing as a safe haven, as a hedge against the weaker dollar. China and Russia are no longer depending on the US petrodollar. They're moving onto their own currencies. I think China and Japan have now come out with their own digital currency. Guys, there's some massive news taking place. So to go back to quickly what I think is happening with XRP. Why the sudden bump? Two things, two major events. I may even say three. What's coming up on April 14th? That's in 4 days' time. COINBASE IPO. Coinbase stock offering is going to go live. Coinbase, I think, has an estimated value of over $100 billion. The interest and the money that's going to come into the crypto market, in my opinion, we're going to see a 6 to 8 total market cap in the very, very near future. I think once we break the 2 trillion, 100 billion, we're going to see a 3 trillion market cap very, very soon. The amount of money that's coming into the space is ridiculous. The second thing is there's going to be rumor that XRP is going to be tradable again on most US trading platforms. And call me crazy, but I think there's some kind of connection between the Coinbase IPO on April 14th and possibly coming out with news that XRP could be traded again. What do you think that's going to do to the price? What happens when a coin gets listed on a major trading platform? 20, 30, 40% bump, 100% bump. So we may see something like that. The other news is what happens when the SEC lawsuit either is dismissed and or regulations come in. XRP is going to bump. Now, my exit strategy with XRP is maybe not to sell, honestly. Most people that have been holding XRP for a long time are going to sell at about $10, in my opinion. Could we see a $100 XRP? A $500 XRP? I like the number 589. But that's just my strategy. You guys do what's best for you. But this weekend, the end of this weekend, into tomorrow, into this week is going to be a very, very interesting week. Can you even get XRP? The only two places that I am aware of is, I think, Uphold and I think Binance International. But you're going to need a VPN to create a Binance International account. So that's it, guys. I hope you guys can all be successful with your trades. This, in my opinion, is life-changing money. It's not a joke. Millionaires have been made in the last 24 hours. Maybe you guys are one of them. All right, that's going to be it for now. Most likely I'll come out with another video tomorrow just to see. XRP could either go up to $2 by tomorrow, 170 maybe. Could we pull back to maybe $1.20? Possible. But I like to be more on the optimistic side based on the news, based on the volume. All right, guys, that's it for tonight. Have a good night. Cheers.